The vision was to make charging your phone as simple as placing it on a surface. And to achieve this vision, we created the world's first long-distance wireless charger with a range of 40 millimeters. Charge your phone on the surface by placing the charger underneath it. A true wireless charging experience that disappears into your environment. Introducing ENERQi, the invisible fast wireless charger. Simply mount your ENERQi wireless charger using the adhesive mount or screws for a more permanent fix and begin charging your phone. With ENERQi, you can charge your phone through any organic surface, such as wood, granite, marble, glass, quartz, through thick cases and pop sockets. And because ENERQi is a Qi wireless charger, it can charge all current wireless charging smartphones, including flagship Apple and Android devices out of the box. ENERQi follows the next generation Qi power transfer system, utilizing magnetic resonance and enabling ENERQi to charge wirelessly at 10 watts with a range of 40 millimeters and ENERQi Nano with a range of 15 in black or white. Each package comes with an ENERQi wireless charger, a 6-foot USB-C cable, a fast 3.0 adapter, surface stickers, 4 screws and 3 adhesive mounts. Charge your phone through any tabletop and experience true wireless charging, moving towards a wireless future. This is ENERQi.